So we got some more units. Oh, holy crap! It's a Rude. That is kind of surprising.
We're at the next place. Here's a Rude Achiever.
Here's a 14. I think it's a Teuton. Got another Rude and another Rude and then an Achiever 10 back there. And then there's more in there.
Yeah.
It's running too.
Stamp on
1999. 2.5 ton. Two more Rude units. That motor got replaced. And they bent the blade, it looks like. Big boy. Got a big Rude Achiever here. Too bad none of these are. Oh!
Beastly Rude.
Look.
Oh wow, the logo's on the ground. That's awesome.
It's a 2011 5-ton.
Oh yeah. It's in a nice green color. That's been running.
Nice.
Yep.
Two big Tech 2000s. Big ones. 2002. They're 2002. 42,000 BTU.
38Y.
Beautiful. One of my favorite carriers that they ever made. The blade's in really good condition.
2002 3.5.
You could probably replace one. This thing.
Yeah, the suction line on the banking is sweating, I think. Carriers have
Right there's the logo.
Oh wow, that fan motor.
Some more right here.
That line set is extremely cold. Right here.
This is a Rude also. Good one. Both these units are running now. They both started up at like the same time.
These two started up.
Oh crap, yeah. Got some really big units in here.
Yeah, it's huge freaking compressor. Oh my god.
Emerson Copeland's cool.
Big coach.
This one might start up. This one has 2.36. Bunch of brand new Goodmans here.
Okay, this is probably going to be the second to last part of the collab. But here are a bunch of Goodmans at a newly renovated apartment complex.
Yep. And then I got some over here running.
Some of these are less recent.
Yep.
This one. It's still being installed there, the copper pipes.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Stuff.
No, this isn't unfinished. This is an unfinished install because it's just sitting down here.
It's good.
Alright.
Over there. So.
Right here, they haven't even put in the units yet. Probably gonna be 2 units there. That stuff just fell off. Goodman's here. This should have started up as you're walking up.